Hey, what's up guys? My name is Ilyas and welcome to your 17th tutorial on jQuery. And in this tutorial, we are going to start adding some features to the chatbot, and I'll also teach you guys how to add a feature by yourself. So you can figure out what else you want to add to the chatbot and what kind of functionality you want to append and stuff. So for now, the chatbot is asking for our name, and we can say my name is jQuery, and then it's asking us how we are doing, and we can say we are good. And what if I want to ask the chatbot how are you? And the chatbot won't answer, of course, because well, it just doesn't know how to react. So let's just go ahead and teach the chatbot to answer the question how are you. Yep. You know, in the last tutorials, we made this nice function called AI, and what this AI function does, it takes message as a parameter, and this message comes from the function click. And every time when the user is sending a message, the message is not only gets sent to the display, but also it is being passed to this function AI via this parameter. And now we can access the message from the user input using this parameter. So let's just go ahead and add some new if condition. And instead of just saying if message is equals to how are you, it is not the best way. We are going to do something else. I'll just cut it. We are going to look for the phrase how are you in the user's input. Well, it might sound complicated, but it's not, since JavaScript provides us lots of nice functions which do a lot for us. And in this case, we are going to work with a function called index of. And this function index of, you usually apply it to a variable. And in our case, it's message.index of. After index of, you need empty brackets and parentheses, and in this parentheses you just type the phrase you're looking for. In our case, it's how are you. So we're looking for the phrase how are you in the user's message. And what this index actually does, it returns the position of this phrase in this big message. So if position is positive, so if it's not negative, that means that this how are you string is really inside of this message. So let's just go ahead and say if index of equals to greater equals to 0, greater and equals to 0, we should run the following code. And let's pick the function send message. Let's call the function send message using this parameter, saying thanks, I am good. So this is something what the chatbot will say to us when we ask it how he's doing. All right, let's just go ahead and test. So what is your name? My name is jQuery. And nice to meet you, jQuery. How are you doing? I'm doing alright. I am okay. How are you? Yeah, you know, the chatbot was able to recognize that we asked him how he's doing, and he just answered with thanks, I'm good. And now we can enter something else. We can say just good, and the chatbot won't answer. So this is just an example of how you add a feature to the chatbot just using this if condition. So in the next tutorial, we will add a couple of new features to the chatbot, and then we'll finish working the chatbot, and then you'll be able to create functions and conditions by yourself. So I hope you guys liked it, and I'll see you guys in the next tutorial.